We've cut the dovetails on the top of the spice box. Now we move on to the bottom, which is a little different.
Yes, it's different because this layout will not be the same on the bottom. And what we're going to do is we're going to leave two tabs at the bottom and at the front. So our back tab is half an inch, which I've marked here, and our front tab is 13/16 of an inch.
So our top and bottom is ready. We need to cut out some grooves and rabbets before we move on to our pins.